18 Torx driver, and a 7mm wrench. We'll begin in the wheel well. Start by turning the wheels away from the side you're working on to make more room. There are 5 screws in the fender liner you'll need to remove. Peel back the fender liner and you can access the light assembly. There are 3 bolts you'll need to remove. To remove the wire connector, push back the locking tab and push in the tab on the back of the connector to pull it out. Remove the remaining bolts and remove the assembly. Install the LED assembly and replace the bolts. Plug the wire connector in and push down the locking tab. Tuck the fender liner in and replace the screws.